Hello angels, and welcome to today's video. That's right, it's another Football Friday, but this video is going to be a little bit different. You're not going to see me actually applying my full face of makeup. That is going to be on a separate video because I am trying out a new product, so stay tuned for that. With that being said, let's just jump right into the video. Alright angels, 23 teams remain. I think I was off count last week. I think I said 25, so if I did, I apologize. So if you've never watched a video of mine before, basically Google Home will select a number, I will draw a team from this stack, and I have to do makeup based upon the colors of that team to picking the team. I'm going to shuffle them, face toward the camera here. Choose a number between 1 and 23.
Sure. 15.
15. 1, 2, 3, 13, 14, 15. Los Angeles Chargers. Navy blue and gold with an alternate color of white. We have proven in the past that that navy blue is a tricky color. She's damn tricky, but I'm gonna try do my best for you guys. Let me check the colors out, get some color matching done and some inspiration, and I'll be right back. This blue, Violet Voss, the rainbow palette. This one, what blue did I use last time? I think I used like a combination of like 4 different color blues. This one is definitely a purple. That's what I used last time. No, that blue is just way too dark. There's the NYX, the Ultimate palette. Is that one navy though? I don't think that's navy. I think that's more. I think that one is more, what do you call it? I forget. I digress. Electric Shock from NYX. Search around a little bit longer. I'll get right back to you. So last week I'm belly aching that work with just black and gold when I wanted some pretty bright colors, and now I have pretty bright colors put in front of me and I'm at a loss. Alright, I think I have a nice basis of colors. I'm going to work with 2 different shades of blue. The Violet Voss color Royal from Juvias Place. The Masquerade Mini by Juvias Place has this color blue in it. It's called Dahlia. So I'm going to mix kind of those 2 together on the lid. Let's get to applying some makeup. You know, I need to get my lids ready. The L'Oreal True Match for that. It creates a nice base for eyeshadow application. Yeah. Bozo the Clownish. So. Rimmel Instamatte to flatten that out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the Royal from the Violet Voss palette on the outside of the lid, and then fade in with the other color from the Juvias Place. And applying with my finger. Okay, there we go. That with my finger all the way up to the crease, but sticking to the outer edge there. You can see that. At this point it just kind of looks like a little bit of a dot. That's okay. So next up is going to be that Juvias Place color. I've sworn by this makeup remover. It's very good. If you don't have it, pick some up from your nearest Mary Kay rep, but this is the Mary Kay oil-free eye makeup remover. It works wonders in taking like makeup off of your face, your eye makeup, and it doesn't pull your skin, which is fantastic. See, it works really quick. I'm gonna put a little Fix Plus on my finger and then go into the blue, which is called Dahlia from the Juvias Place palette. Now we're just gonna plait that on the lid and blend it with the other color. So what I'm doing is I'm just kind of blending those two colors together in the middle point. So I'll take a little bit of each blue on my finger and blend it in the center there. Cleaning off your fingers. These are your best tools right here, ladies and gents. Your best tools are your fingers. Morphe M330 brush and back into the Whipped Cream by NYX. And I'm gonna blend those blues in the crease. And that just makes it, as you can see, a little softer around that edge. All right, I've done mixing both of the blues and blended it out with the white. I saw yellow as one of their colors, or at least inside the bowl. A little yellow into the crease just to give it a little bit more dimension, a little bit more color. And using that same Morphe M330 brush. I'm gonna try and deepen up that yellow color, and I'm gonna go into this NYX Ultimate palette, the MAC 221. Little pencil brush, and I'm going to go into this deep gold color here. See if I can deepen up that yellow just a little bit. Yep, that'll do it. Taking it up above the crease a little bit there. And I'm gonna go ahead and complete my whole face. I will be right back. All right, angels, my guys and dolls, I am back. I have applied my full face of makeup. Again, that's on a separate video, so you're gonna have to wait and see what that is. Next up, I was debating on whether or not I should do that bolt, because now with that yellow up there, I think it would be too much. As I'm going to line my waterline, I'm going to put white liner and I'm going to go ahead and do that white line. So I apologize for the lack of audio in les part of les video right now, but my neighbor decided to do lawn work right outside my window. Thank you so much. Appreciate him. But basically what I'm doing here is just applying that NYX eyeliner in gentle strokes, clean it off in between to make sure that the blue does not bleed into the white. Very simple, but very complex. So now I am using that same white color that I used before, the NYX Whipped Cream, and I'm just packing it on top of that liner to make it a little bit more dramatic. I'm going to go back into the Violet Voss palette, into that royal color. I'm just going to drag that underneath the lower lid, bringing it up to the white liner. And I'm just mixing the two of those together. And I'm going to do the inner side here. So, where's my sponge? Hello, sponge. Can you come here, please? Thank you. Pop that down. A little black. And this is just another NYX brush, and just going to smooth out underneath the eye and smoke it out a little bit. Kind of almost blending those two colors together. Alright. Now we're going to mix a little blue with it. Oh yeah. Alright. This is a good point to go ahead and finish up my eyes, put on some lipstick, and come back with the final look. Be right back. Alright, angels, and we are back. I have finished up with a little Girlactic liquid lip in the color Sweet, and eyelashes. The bottom is Worth the Hype by NYX. The top is Bad Girl Bang by Benefit. I really like how this look came out. Very fun, very cute. So, I didn't like my finished product. As you see, I took it off on the sides because to me it just looked like the other look that I did with the white liner and the blue, and I'm not impressed. Not impressed with myself. I'll do it under the brow though. I think I can do it from here. Let's see. I'm going to zoom you in so that you can get a better look at it. I'll be right back. Alright, so what I want to do is incorporate that bolt, and I'm going to use the NYX Vivid Brights Bright Eyeliners, the same one that I used on my brow bone last week. So I'm going to start with just drawing a line outside of where the white is, and I'm just priming it on the back of my hand. You saw that earlier. So, and I'm going to do it like I'm doing a wing. And I'm going to go back down. Yeah, she's a big bolt. And then right there. Down. So I kept saying it before in the beginning of the video. I was like, I'm gonna do a lightning bolt. I'm gonna do that charger bolt. I think that really be cool on the look. Then I was like, oh no. I talked myself out of it for some reason, and I don't know why I did that. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let that dry, and then I'm going to outline it with the blue liner that I used last week. And now we're going to see how it looks when I outline that with the blue, the NYX blue felt tipped liner. Hold my breath and outline this. Start with little Harry Potter style. What do you think? I mean, Chargers fans really would wear this. Heck, I might even wear this. I don't know. Little trick for you girls to know, and guys, I don't know if guys watch my videos. Anyway, if you have a liquid liner, like a felt tip liner, always store it laying down flat. A lot of people don't know that, because if you store it up with the tip down, the product could run out. If you store it with the tip up, the tip could become dried out, and therefore you can't use it anymore. You have to throw it out. And people think, oh well, this liquid liner, just first 10 times I use it is great, and then it started to suck and it was terrible. It's probably because you're not storing it properly. Alright, angels, so this is the completion of look number 2. Hello Chargers fans, what do you think about this? Sound out in the comments down below. This was a lot of fun to do. Actually, when I stopped the look the first time with the white eyeliner, I kind of felt like, like, it's been done. I've done it before. But this, I've never done this before. If you're a Chargers fan, tell me who your favorite players are. And what do you think about this year's team? I think it should be exciting. This year's, a lot of teams are going to be really playing it out, and I'm excited to see what's going on. Well, angels, if you've watched this far, thank you so much. I really do appreciate every single view that I get. Also, do be an angel and click subscribe, then smash that notification bell. That way you're notified every single time I upload a new video. All you angels should leave me a comment, because I really love hearing from you. Don't forget to also follow me on all of my other social media. I have Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, all at Angels Makeup Mayhem. Thank you so much for watching, angels, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's take a pause for the cause, shall we? 20 minutes later. Oh, if I was bold, I would do a gold brow. But I am not that bold. I'm not that bold, I am. Yeah, waterline. Why am I second guessing myself? My waterline, oh no, this is Wet n Wild. It's a body crayon, but it works great for the eyes and it's waterproof, water resistant. Do not apply near eyes. I have used this on my waterline before and I've never seen that. Why does my neighbor feel the need to all of a sudden do yard work? What the French toast is that all about? Well, I guess I'm voiceovering this whole part of the video. He's right there outside my window. Does he not know I'm working? Working! I'm gonna do. Yes. Oh, see that? It just crumbled. Is that one of the things that look? Put it on my hand. That looks great. Back of my hand. That looks great. My eye. It doesn't want to. That looks pretty cool. Let's pull the hair a little bit tighter. Give the instant facelift.